it's me, Alegra. Babes, I just discovered a new drugstore lipstick that I am over the moon, thrilled, crazy for, you name it. I am obsessed. Okay, that's the word. I'm obsessed. It is literally just everything, all that in a bag of chips. Let me tell you guys what it is. It is this little beauty right here. This is the Maybelline Lifter Lip Gloss. I believe it's the name. Lifter Gloss, yes. So here it is, and this is truly the best. I really gotta say, high-end drugstore, whatever the price that you're going for, this is the best in my opinion. I cannot get over it, and it's absolutely phenomenal. So I was super excited to come and share it with you dolls today, and I'm gonna put it on with you guys. I did have it on, but I just took it off so I could show you fresh. But can I just tell you, this is super long lasting. So when you actually apply it to your lips, it will last. You will not have to reapply for quite a long time. It could be truly hours. So I have never experienced that in a drugstore lip gloss, and very few high-end lip glosses as well. I can't even remember off the top of my head, but this is just that good. It's that bomb.com, guys. So first of all, can I just tell you, I am obsessed with the packaging. It's super chic. I love the nude and the square-esque, packaging that it does come in. It does come in a wide range of shades. So I wound up picking up the shade 008 Stone, but they definitely do have a clear one, which I also do have coming on the way. It's really hard to get a hold of this. I went to several different CVS's, several different Walgreens, and they didn't have it in stock, so I actually had to go on to Amazon to purchase it. So I don't know, have you guys seen it in store? Let me know, but I have not been able to find it in store yet. And so I actually do have a pinky nude color coming in the mail, and they do have a pearl, kind of like a clear color as well. So I'm definitely looking into trying those next, but this one just happened to come the fastest, and I tried it already. I've been loving it, so I couldn't wait to share it with you beauties. Can I tell you now, not only, like I had said earlier, not only is it super long lasting, but this is infused with hyaluronic acid, so it is actually plumping your lips, kind of nourishing them, not like a lip injection type of plumping. It's actually a skincare based type of plump where it's just moisturizing your lips so well that they wind up looking plumper and feeling soft and feeling so good. So let me just get right into it, dolls, and put it on already. I can't wait. I feel naked without it. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on right now for you guys. So I'm going to first apply the NYX Lip Liner in the shade London. So I've been wearing this a lot lately and I really love it. And truth be told, guys, I do like to also mix in a little bit of NYX Coffee. So, these are only $4.90 something at CVS. So you can really, have a little fun mixing them up, because they do make the most gorgeous lip combos when you mix different NYX lip liners together. So I am going to mix in now a little bit of this NYX Coffee because it's a little deeper. So it's going to give it some more depth. So I just love those two together, but you could always just use one, would be fine. So now I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Lifter Gloss. And another thing I absolutely love about this is look at how big it has, an extra large wand. So like they were saying on the Maybelline website, the wand is so big that you could do one swipe and your lips are good to go. So that really is true. I just like the way they feel when they're extra large, but it is really helpful that you can do your lips in pretty much one swipe. So I like to just apply some to the center. So that's really all I do, is I just put it on the center. You guys, how gorgeous is that? Now this is an exact dupe for my Dior lip oil that I had purchased a few months ago and I was obsessed with. This actually looks exactly like the Dior lip glow, and it feels and wears like the Dior lip glow, although this might feel, to be honest, a little bit even better, because it feels a little like it has a little more substance to it. So I actually really like that. So I really can't believe how much I love this lip gloss, and I couldn't wait to come and share it with you beauties. Sometimes what I do also like to do is I take a little bit of concealer on my finger and just tap that in the center. and that's just gonna make your lips look even more bigger, more juicy. Just, you know, it's not necessary, but if you're just like to play with makeup and have fun, I do like to just take a little bit of concealer and just pop it right in the middle and brush your lips together, and I just think that makes the most gorgeous lip combo, one of the most gorgeous lip combos of life. And I gotta tell you guys how incredible it feels on your lips, and it does not kind of transfer onto any other areas of your face, because I have actually purchased, and I do just throw them out. I just cannot stand when you put on a lip gloss and it transfers to other, it just doesn't stay on your lips. But this lip gloss really does stay right on your lips, right where you place it, and it doesn't move, and it lasts and lasts and lasts. So I couldn't wait to share it with you beauties, and I will definitely be back to show you more colors when I do get them in the mail, because I did place an order for 2 more from Amazon. So after I was playing with the product some more, I realized that it did also remind me of the Fenty Gloss Bomb. So I do actually feel like this is an amazing dupe for the Fenty Gloss Bombs if you love them. I actually do, though, have to admit that I like this Maybelline Lifter Gloss better, because I feel like it is way more moisturizing, and it seemed to have the staying power is amazing. It's unparalleled. And so I also do like the shade that I purchased, which is the shade Stone. So I wanted to just also show you how it applies to a complexion similar to mine, in case you don't use those lip liners that I use. This is a true sort of color, to show you the true color of it without the lip liner mixed in. So it's a gorgeous, gorgeous nude shade, and I absolutely love it. And also on the Maybelline site, they have this handy dandy shade guide. But I could not recommend these more, especially for the summer. I think that it's just such a gorgeous, fresh, youthful, you know, dewy, summer vibes kind of makeup look when you have a little bit of a glossy lip going on. So I absolutely love gloss. Are you guys into gloss? Are you still all about matte lips? Let me know down below. Also, guys, I wanted to have a giveaway today for one of my Alegra Beauty mystery boxes. So that mystery box does come with, well, actually, all in all, you get 6 full-size luxe makeup and beauty items. So you're going to get my Alegra Beauty Mist, but then you're going to get 5 other full-size luxe makeup and beauty goodies. So if you guys would like to enter to take part, just make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel, give me a thumbs up, and just comment below that you'd like to take part, and I will be picking one of you beauties in a few days to win one of them. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you're all doing amazing. Let me know if you've tried this gloss. What do you think of it? Are you in for the gloss look, or are you just like, no girl, I want my mattes, I want my matte lips, and that's about it. But anyway, guys, I love you so much. I hope you're all doing amazing, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Love you.